If you've ever watched a bunch of Facebook Reels and later wanted to clear that history, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Reels history on Facebook step by step using the activity log inside your account. This is a quick and simple way to clean up your watch history and manage what Facebook keeps track of. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook and go to your profile icon. This is usually in the top corner of the app or website, depending on what device you're using. Once you tap or click your profile icon, look for Settings and Privacy. This section contains most of the account controls you'll need. After opening Settings and Privacy, go into Settings. From there, scroll until you find Activity Log. The Activity Log is where Facebook stores a record of many of your actions, including watched videos and other activity on your account. Inside Activity Log, look for the section called Videos You've Watched. This is the area that contains your Facebook video watch history, including Reels you viewed. Tap or click on it to open the full list of videos and Reels that Facebook has tracked. Now you should see your watch history. At this point, you have a couple of options depending on what Facebook shows on your screen. You may see individual items that you can remove one by one, or you may see an option like Delete or Clear Video Watch History. If you want to remove everything at once, choose the Clear History option. If you only want to delete certain Reels, remove them individually from the list. When Facebook asks for confirmation, go ahead and confirm the action. This step is important because once you clear the history, the watched Reel activity will be removed from that section of your account. After that, your Reels watch history will be deleted from the activity log. If you don't see the exact labels on your device, don't worry. Facebook often changes the layout slightly between the mobile app and desktop version, but the path is usually the same. Profile icon, Settings and Privacy, Settings, Activity Log, Videos You've Watched, then Delete or Clear Video Watch History. So if you follow that chain, you should be able to find the right option pretty easily. And just a quick tip, if you want to keep your account a little more private, it's a good idea to check your activity log every so often. That way you can stay on top of what Facebook is storing and remove anything you don't want saved in your history. So that's it. You now know how to delete Reels history on Facebook in just a few steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.